Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Bitget in Nigeria. Bitget is a popular cryptocurrency derivatives exchange that offers a wide range of trading options. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Bitget website or mobile app. First, go to the Bitget website or download the mobile app from the App Store. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in the required information, including your email address, password, and phone number. You will also need to verify your email address and phone number by clicking on the verification link sent to you by Bitget. Once your account is verified, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer process, which involves uploading a valid government-issued ID and proof of address. This is a mandatory step to ensure the security and integrity of the platform. After completing the verification process, you can deposit funds into your account using a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, credit card, and cryptocurrency. The payment methods available may vary depending on your location, so be sure to check the Bitget website for the most up-to-date information. To start trading, navigate to the trading platform and select the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade. Bitget offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and options trading. Each type of trading has its own unique features and risks, so be sure to understand the basics before getting started. One of the key features of Bitget is its copy trading function, which allows you to automatically copy the trades of experienced traders. This can be a great way to get started with trading, especially if you are new to the market. However, be sure to do your research and choose a trader with a good track record. In addition to trading, Bitget also offers a variety of other features, including staking, lending, and savings accounts. These features allow you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings and can be a great way to generate passive income. To stay safe while using Bitget, be sure to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. You should also be cautious when trading and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, so it is essential to do your research and stay up to date with market trends. In conclusion, using Bitget in Nigeria is a relatively straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create an account, deposit funds, and start trading on the Bitget platform. Remember to always prioritize security and do your research before making any investment decisions.